This special rice recipe is full of flavor with tender chickpeas and aromatic whole spices. Let's make these delicious chickpea rice. Soak 1/2 cup of chickpeas for 2 hours. Also soak 500 grams of basmati celery rice for 2 to 3 hours. Gather some spices. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 star anise, 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 10 black pepper, 1/4-inch piece of nutmeg, and 1-inch piece of mace. Coarsely grind all spices. Set aside. After 2 hours, add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 hot green chili slices, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes to the chickpeas. Mix it and boil on medium heat. After cooking for 30 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep cooking until tender. When it is done, set aside. Add 1/2 cup of oil to the pan. Now add 1 big onion cut into slices. Add 1 star anise, 8 cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 bay leaf, 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, and 2 black cardamoms. Cook on medium heat until onions are translucent. Now add 8 dried plums, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 medium tomatoes cut into slices, 4 hot green chilies, and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Sauté on medium heat for 10 minutes until oil separates. At this point, add 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. Mix it well. We are using only 1 cup from the pan. You can freeze remaining chickpeas for later use. Now add 6 cups of liquid. Use some chickpeas water from boiling pot. If you are using canned chickpeas, then use 6 cups of tap water only. Mix it well and cook on medium heat until it starts boiling. At this point, add the basmati celery rice, which we already soaked for 3 hours. Mix it and cook on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of chopped mint, the ground spices, and 4 drops of Kewra essence. Mix it carefully. Try not to break the rice. Keep cooking on medium heat until rice is 80% tender and water over the surface evaporates. At this point, sprinkle 3 mild green chili slices and some orange food color. Cover the lid and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Beautiful looking, full of flavor, and delicious chickpea rice are ready. Enjoy! Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.